What it is: a thick and creamy facial cleanser made from white clay and strawberry begonia that can be used as a better everyday alternative to harsh soaps. What it does: this thick cream emulsifies with water into an effective cleansing foam with a light clean fragrance that cleans deeply and gently with no fuss. What else you need to know: prepares the skin for toner and moisturizers by clearing pores of grime and excess oil. Dipropylene, glycol, alcohol, kaolin, sorbitol, talc, glycerin, bentonite, water, microcrystalline, cellulose, titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, saxifrage, sarmentosa extract, iron oxides, paraben. Fragrance.Emulsify: a small amount of cream with water and massage lather into face with a soft towel or facial cleansing brush. Rinse until all lather has dissipated using warm water. Follow with toner, moisturizer and special care as needed. Shiseido naturgo white clay facial washing foam 4. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.